Good afternoon. My name is Maria Elvira Romero Torres. I will tell about my experience in the Temple of Petra. It is located in the country of Jordan. It is very hot place, therefore I suggest very light clothes. For my visit, I used a pit to protect myself from the sun. Since they built it an hero and it is very desert. As you can see in the photo, there is temple entrance. That is the only access to it. It is a very beautiful place and preserved for its historical value. The bad thing was the short time that was my stay, but did spite that it was very pleasant. I hope the video has been the your liking. Thank you.